represent numbers in Roman system. For this, we will first see what is value of each letter. So, 1 is represented as I, 2 is represented as 2I, 3 is represented as 3 I's, 4 is represented as 1V, I need to say IV, 5 is represented as V, 6 is represented as V and I, 7 is represented as V and double I, 8 is represented as V and triple I, 9 is represented as 1X, 10 is represented by letter X, then 11 is represented by letter X with 2 I's, sorry, 1 I, and 12 is represented with X with 2 I's. Also, in Roman system, 50 is represented by letter L, 100 is represented by letter C, 500 is represented by letter D, and 1000 is represented by letter M. The first rule in the Roman system is addition. Whenever higher value letter is before lower value letter, you have to add values of 2 letters. For example, suppose I am having X and I. I know that value of X is 10 and value of I is 1. So higher value letter is before lower value letter. So I will add value of X is 10 and value of I is 1. So it will give you 11. Similarly, for example, I take L and X. Here value of I is greater than X. Value of L is 50 and value of X is 10. So since value of L is greater than value of X, you will add this and the number will be 60. Rule number 2 is of subtraction. When lower value letter is before higher value letter, you have to subtract. For example, if I write IX, so here value of I is 1 and value of X is 10. So lower value letter is before higher value letter, so you will subtract. So you will get 10 minus 1, that is 9. Similarly, if I write XL, value of X is 10 and value of L is 50. So lower value is before higher value. So I will subtract. So it will be 50 minus 10, that is 40. Let's take one example. Suppose I want to find what this Roman number in actual numbers. So I know that value of X is 10 plus value of X is 10 plus value of X is 10. Now the last two letters, if you will see, I is before X. Value of I is 1 and value of X is 10. So lower value is before higher value, you will subtract. So you will write 10 minus 1. So the answer will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 minus 1 is 39. Let's take one more example. Suppose you are given one Roman number and you want to find what is this number representing. So here you will see that the last two letters, lower value is before higher value. Value of I is 1 and value of B is 5. So you will subtract. Similarly for XL, lower value letter is before higher value letter, you will subtract. For remaining 4 letters, you will add. So value of M is 1000. Again, value of M is 1000. Value of D is 500. Value of C is 100. Value of, now the next two letters are X and L. So X value is less than value of L, you will subtract. So value of L is 50 minus value of X is 10. Similarly, last two letters, value of I is less than value of V. Again, you will subtract. Value of V is 5 value of I is 1. So the answer you will get will be 1000, 2000, 2500, 2600, 2640, 2645.